Hi guys, so I wanted to make this quick video to go over how you can reduce wasted ad spend in your Google Ads account. Now, these are really common mistakes that I've come across from working with multiple clients. So if you're interested in reducing ad spend while improving performance, this video is for you. Now, the first recommendation I have is at the settings level of your search ad campaigns. And this is going to be switching off the search network and display network. Now, whenever you create a new search ad campaign, Google automatically has these settings switched on already. And what it's going to do is show your ads on very low quality traffic sources, which is going to spend a lot of money but not give you much return for it. So I'd highly recommend you switch these off. Now, going into the second recommendation, this is going to be your location adjustments. Again, whenever you create a new campaign, Google's default setting is to show to anyone vaguely interested in that area. What you want to do is go onto the location options and choose the setting presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. What this is going to do is ensure that Google is only showing to people in the locations you are targeting. Now, the third suggestion I have is using Performance Max placement exclusions. Now, this is really cool because it gives you a level of control over your Performance Max campaigns. And what it allows you to do is exclude your ads from showing on low quality placements. Now, the way you can do this is going to the content section of your Performance Max campaign and adjusting what placements you want to exclude from your campaigns. Now, this could be placements such as YouTube or the display network or certain topics you don't want your ads shown against. So it's really useful, and again, I would highly recommend that you implement this across your PMax activity. Now, the final recommendation I have is switching off Google's auto-applied recommendations. Now, again, this is automatically applied to any new Google Ads account, but what it essentially does is you're allowing Google to take your budget and spend it how they want, which is typically not going to be in the most effective way for your business. So the way you can do this is going down to the asset level and clicking the three buttons on the right that says more, and then clicking on account level automated assets. Now, when you do this, you have to click on the three buttons again where it says more, click advanced settings, and this will take you to a page where you can switch off all of the relevant ad assets you don't want Google automatically controlling for you. Great, so I hope that was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I would love to answer you. Thank you very much.